Sunday, the 2nd of June, new month. So yeah, just got back from a weekend trip and we have one order for over the weekend. In these videos you'll see that when you start a store, it's normal to have less orders, at least slower than one of the bigger stores or well-established ones. I'm already very lucky that I've done this one, so people come back for it at times. This is another returning customer again, and that's awesome. Yeah, going to pick the order and get back to you when it's done. Order is all picked. Bought some of the lots of the new pieces, also some used pieces, and as you can see my handwriting isn't the most perfect, so the first try is not used. Second try is a bit better, then you at least can see it's all used pieces, and it's a lot of the jumper plates we uploaded recently, some of the trash cans, some plant pieces. There are some tiles in it with a light scratch on it, maybe even a deep scratch, I don't know, but I'll reach out to the customers so they can decide if they want it or not, or else get a discount or a refund. It's always good to contact your customers when there's not something right, because entering communication is always better than not entering communication. And yeah, sometimes you have to give and sometimes you have to take. I don't know how that works, but sometimes you have to talk with them about it and see what they like and get to a good solution. But yeah, for now going to send it and see what happens. It's Monday, the 3rd of June. We're sorting bricks right now. In the background you hear Mrs. and sorting brick, it's sorting hard. I'm cataloging the parts to put away. We've started on the 1x bricks, some round tiles, technic pieces, some masonry bricks. Those went quite fast last time, so let's see what happens this time. Train tracks are ready, but I don't really have a place yet where to put them. Maybe I put them in the big drawers, and then used and new is a bit mixed, but train tracks is quite distinguishable, and yeah, I think that will be okay. Yeah, still a lot of sorting to do, but slow and steady we'll get there. The labels came in, so you can also start by saving up for fuller trays. But yeah, let's just see how it goes. For now we just upload everything until we don't have space anymore, and see how it goes. Cataloged all the pieces I had ready for cataloging. Lots of bricks, lots of masonry bricks and tiles, etc, etc. Sometimes it's worth the effort to stack the bricks a bit better in the drawer cabinet so they fit, because if you toss them in loosely it's sometimes a bit of a waste of space. So with some of the bricks I stacked them nicely so they would fit a bit better. This upload is worth about 41 euros, so that's awesome. Yeah, going to put some of the drawers away because they get quite full, and we'll start with sorting again. So this is basically the idea I have in mind for used Lego. A lot of boxes labeled in logical categories. This is the snot jumper category, for example. I used the labels of Brick Architect and created a label out of them. When a box is full in the future, we upload it. That will hopefully make it more efficient to upload used pieces, as this is not as much, and if you would put the time and effort into uploading these pieces right now, it's not as efficient or profitable, or however you want to call it. And if a box full of these is ready to be uploaded, it's usually a bit more value. So yeah, that's the idea. I'm not sure how it's going to work out, but yeah, it's something nice to try, something new, and I So far quite like it, but we'll see what the future brings. So second batch of pieces ready for upload. This time some modified bricks and corner bricks and cones, satellite dishes, yeah, all good stuff. Yeah, they are going to get uploaded and then we're done for today. Maybe tomorrow we do the train tracks and some other pieces, but we just see, all in good time. It's Tuesday, the 4th of June. Just got home from picking up another used lot. It's a used lot with some yellow pieces, so to say, with some old Lego from what I saw. But there's also new Lego in it with some Disney Cars pieces. It was a good deal, but yeah, we need to see what comes out of it. Is there anything else cool in our vision? It's quite a lot. For now we going to put this away. We will first sort through the used lot we already had. Yeah, let's just see what this brings, but that will be for a bit later. Then we like car pieces, even a big crane piece, but yeah. Oh, another trash can. Yeah, let's just see what it brings, and it will be for later with another Lego haul. Other thing I did is create new bins for sorting the used Lego, so it's better categorized. The idea is that when a bin is full, we spend the effort of cataloging it and uploading it. When we sort the Lego, we first categorize it in, for example, plates, maybe some snot bricks, wall pieces, angle pieces, clip pieces, hinge, I don't know yet. These are not all the bins I would like to have, but yeah, you gotta start somewhere and we'll expand it over time. And yeah, when a bin is full, we just upload it, and then we have at least some more pieces to make it worth our effort, because for some bins, and let me see, for some bins there's only a few pieces, and usually the effort it takes to identify the piece, upload it, etc. isn't, in my opinion, worth it. So I'd rather spend some time waiting and filling up the bins and then upload them instead of uploading everything at once. It's Wednesday, the 5th of June, and we got a small order in that's already picked and packed, but I forgot to take a video, as usual. Been sorting and cataloging the, how do you call it, wedge plates, and yeah, they are all processed. We're gonna see what we're gonna sort and upload now. We still have a lot of bricks to go, and also a lot of Hero Factory, but those all need to be broken down into pieces, and that's taking quite some effort and time. So yeah, that will take some time. Let's see what the day brings today. It's Thursday, the 6th of June, and I can't remember if I made clips yesterday, but yeah, that sometimes happens. We were busy uploading quite some stuff. For today it's the same recipe as yesterday, but this time we're at the brick category. Not all of it yet, but some of this is already sorted and ready for upload. Other parts are still drying. Still quite some stuff to do. Yeah, I'm going to start with cataloging the parts in Brick Store and then putting them in the store. Finished cataloging and putting away the 1x2 and 1x1 bricks. Quite a nice selection. Filling up the drawers nicely, so yeah, gonna get some new drawers, put these away, and be on my way with the next batch. Added more bricks, and this is what I like to see, nice and full drawers ready to be put away. Still have some 2x something 6 bricks left, 2x more, don't know how many. filling up bigger drawers, which is awesome, and yeah, filling up the wall as it should. Making some great progress thanks to the preparations Mrs. Unsorted Brick did today, and after work I can catalog them and upload them, which is awesome. Alrighty, done uploading all the pre-sorted and washed parts. Before we continue, some nice pancakes. Saturday, the 8th of June, working hard on cataloging the 2x2 bricks and getting them ready for uploading. We've got one order today from another repeat customer out of Denmark, which is awesome. We'll pick that later today and then also end the vlog. So yeah, one more update and then we're good. Would almost forget that this week we've already also finished the labeling of the drawer cabinets that we have available right now. We need some bigger drawers for the bricks in the future, because yeah, if we get more of those then the drawers are full. Oh. So yeah, the used wall is filling up quite nicely. We're working on the 5th cabinet to fill up. We have 9 in total available. For the first cabinet is full and we're gonna work slowly towards the 2nd cabinet, but for now I don't have any new pieces or sets in the pipeline, so we just focus on the used first, and yeah, next week we'll slowly grow the inventory again, maybe get some more orders and also maybe pick up another lot, I don't know. We won't be bored. Yeah, on to picking the order and ending the week. So last order for this week has been pulled. In the bottom tray, all used pieces nicely laid out by Mrs. Unsorted. Some really cool pieces, and it also shows that all the effort we put in this week to upload these pieces pays off. And some new pieces, also some cool Boba Fett heads, some Paulette's heads, Technic pins, I don't know the name, and these are also really cool, the transparent yellow heads. Yeah, all cool pieces. As I said, a repeat customer, so we appreciate you stopping by again. And as always, thank you all for watching, following along our journey again, and have a nice week, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.